Renault has long been able to surprise in the electric car segment, but with the updated 2026 Megane E-Tech, the French seem to have finally assembled everything that the first generation lacked into one car. The main change is hidden under the floor. The old lithium-nickel battery has given way to a lithium iron phosphate battery with a capacity of 67 kilowatt-hours. This is not just a marketing ploy. LFP chemistry is fundamentally better able to withstand constant charging cycles and almost does not lose capacity over time. The range of the WLTP cycle has increased to 500 kilometers. Fast charging with direct current of 165 kilowatts fills the battery from 15 to 80% in 24 minutes. Onboard AC charger, 11 kilowatts in the base, 22 kilowatts optional. The machine supports V2L and V2G, which means you can power external devices directly from the car or send energy back into the grid. The only compromise was that due to the denser layout of the new elements, the body had to be raised by 20 millimeters. The engine remains the same, synchronous electric motor on the front axle with a power of 217 horsepower, 300 Nm of torque, acceleration to 100 kilometers per hour in 7.6 seconds. Maximum speed is limited to 160 kilometers per hour. The engine is manufactured in France and does not contain rare earth metals. The exterior is noticeably fresher. A new bumper, running lights made of 8 diamond-shaped elements instead of side air intakes, the Renault logo has shifted lower. At the back, the LED strip has acquired a three-dimensional 3D effect. Among the new colors, the matte satin blue slate stands out. The discs are available in 19 and 20 inches. There are two 12-inch screens in the cabin, but Android Automotive now works with Google Gemini. Face recognition has been added to automatically adjust the driver's profile, and a Q2 standard charging pad. The physical climate control buttons are preserved. Common sense has won. The trunk is 440 liters. The line has been simplified to 2 trim levels, Techno and Esprit Alpine. Prices in Europe are expected in the range of 35,000 to 37,000 euros. In the USA, the Megane E-Tech is not for sale. Renault is simply not present there. Did you like the car? Friends, subscribe to the channel and like it.